Christmas, baby.
Merry Christmas. Hey, Social Cam.
Hello.
Hey.
We just wanted to come and let you all know that we just had the most amazing time ever.
It was awesome.
Yes, we just left Rifle.
Yeah.
It was amazing. We met some amazing people.
And the kids were like
On 20.
so excited to be there. That really did something for my heart today. Like, I mean, I wasn't even at my grandma's house with my family. And that made today more enjoyable for me. I'm so excited. I'm so happy I went. And I'm going to continue to do it.
All year round.
That's one of the resolutions for
Yes.
next year.
All year
Excited. You should join us.
Yes, if you've never gone to go and feed the hungry, I think as a Christian, especially as a Christian, that's something that you should go and try to do. It was so amazing. It was better than any gift.
It was awesome. But if you go to Rifle, you might want to watch out for Mr. Robert. Because
Yeah.
he has a 32-year-old daughter that he wants to marry multiple women at once. All right.
Yeah, but other than that,
Couple
we had an
stalkers,
amazing time.
you know.
A few stalkers,
Okay.
but yeah, it was amazing.
Amazing.
Shout out to our guys, Team Jesus, the rap group.
Yes.
They were there with us.
Team
had-
Jesus.
Woo woo, Team Jesus. Woo woo woo. You know, all of our other new friends. We met some people from, where'd she say?
Blue Goose.
Blue Goose, Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Miss K and Mr.
Outside
Michael.
Lexington, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
There's 20 people in the community. Blue Goose.
Blue Goose, Tennessee. Bet you never heard of that.
Shout out to Mr. Dan.
Mr. Dan is the man. Woo! Good morning, y'all. Charge. Charge.
Let's pray it up, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what Mr. Dan said today.
Yeah.
So yeah, not only did we feed the hungry, we prayed. We,
Had
you
devotion.
know, we had devotion.
Oh,
Pray
wait, we
again.
sung Away in the Manger.
Away
prayed again.
in the manger.
We sang some verses that we didn't know, so we hummed and looked at each other.
Yeah.
And then we prayed again.
Yeah, and we met some adorable babies too.
Yeah.
Some adorable babies
Okay.
that had like cake and everything and all kinds of food on their faces.
On their faces.
But, you know, it's okay. They were still
They were cute.
Very cute.
Yeah, and if you follow me on Instagram, you will see a few pictures
Of random babies.
of random babies.
Random babies. Yes, we
Random.
love the kids.
They're cute though.
Yeah. But anyway, back to your regular program. We just wanted to say Merry Christmas to all of you.